Come dance with me. Follow my moves.
I only know 25 letters of the alphabet. I don't know why.
Imagine swapping your entire body, not just your face, into any character you want. Sounds impossible, right? Well, not anymore. Meet Higgsfield Recast, the AI tool that lets you become anyone, anywhere in just one click. Yep, it tracks your posture, your hands, even your tiny gestures, and the result looks like it's actually filmed, not faked. So here's how you can try it yourself. First, open the Higgsfield Recast website. I've already dropped the link down below. Once you're there, just upload the video you want to transform. Then pick your character. You can upload your own or choose from their library. They've got tons of options: male, female, anime, cartoon, even creature styles.
Love is composed of a single soul.
Next up, voice and dubbing. You can clone your voice, use one of their preset voices, or if you just want to keep your original audio, tick the Keep Original box. Oh, and here's the fun part. You can even translate your video automatically. It supports English, Hindi, Italian, Portuguese, and Russian, all with synced lips. How cool is that? Then you can change your background too. Whether you want a premium studio look or just keep the original, it's totally up to you. When you're ready, click Generate. And wait a few minutes. And boom! Your full body swapped video will appear right inside your library, ready to share.
Come dance with me. Follow my moves. Come dance with me. Follow my moves. Come
Seriously,
dance with
this
me.
feels like movie magic. You can become any character, speak any language, and shoot anywhere, all without leaving your room. So, what are you waiting for? Go try Higgsfield Recast now. Links in the description. Trust me, once you try it, you'll never look at video editing the same way again.
Come dance with me. Follow my moves.
Come dance with me. Follow my moves.